O-F-F. And here's the king of going off right here, Darren the Scud Shapiro. He's the #1 rated rider in the world, and you can see why. He goes as big as anybody. He's compact to the water, he's strong, and he's super focused and very, very consistent.
Yeah, Tony, you like to call this guy a mini Arnold Schwarzenegger, and like Arnold, he always seems to come back.
That's right. Yesterday he did fall, but right now he looks as smooth as ever, just taking huge advantage of that big sport nautique wake, and he went huge on that first pass.
Good look at the different boards that you can ski on out there, and I think that the competitors themselves here, Tony, realize the magnitude of this event. They realize that they are at the most prestigious tournament in the world.
Oh, the nerves of everybody were very, very sketchy right before they went out, but it looks like Darren Shapiro is not letting the nerves affect him. That's a gigantic roll to Reaver right there, and he is so strong, he just stops the boat, and look at that tail grab! He landed that tail grab way, way, way out in the flats, carving hard back into the wake for a Rayleigh. He's fallen, he's down on the air Rayleigh, but oh my!
Dean Lavelle on the dock saying, I gotta follow that. Ouch, babe. Here comes Jeremy Kovac. Now, he's a much taller, leaner version of the Scud, although he trains with Darren Shapiro.
That's right, Jeremy's a lot different style. He stands a lot more erect, he's a lot taller, he's a freestyle jumper and a long-distance jumper as well, and he's learning. Oh, he falls right there. Jeremy Kovac's got to be upset. You know, he came very, very close to the stands, and that might have affected him. He went so far outside the wake that he almost hit the stands. Here comes Dean Lavelle.
And this is a guy that you like to call a 10 event skier. He seems to do it all, and he's doing it all right now on the wakeboard.
Dean Lavelle, he barefoots, he trick skis, he slalom skis, he jumps, he does it all, but his favorite sport is wakeboarding. You can tell, look at how much fun these riders are having out there, and Dean has as much fun as anybody. Big front flip for Dean to close out his run.
Here's a look at our wakeboard cam. It's a board's eye view, if you will. And here's a man who has no camera on his board, but all eyes and all cameras on him right now, Scott Byerly.
We call him the Hook, Scott the Hook Byerly. Look at his style. A lot of contrast between Jeremy, Darren, and the other guys. Scott Byerly's comes from a skateboard, a snowboard background, and you can really see how he uses that board. Look at that board in the fakie position, and lands fakie on that one, a fakie to fakie roll. Oh, and I'll tell you one thing, wakeboarding is definitely different.
All right, if you needed any other kind of evidence that wakeboarding's a little bit different from water skiing, check out the tattoo. Yeah.
Well, that certainly is different, but I don't think Scott Byerly has a tattoo, at least not one that I've seen, Dan.
At least not one that we know about, huh? Now, what do they call that, a butt bounce when their butt hits the water?
Yeah, that's called a butt check. Just kind of helps you land sometimes. That was an air crib for Byerly, and he is going big today. This is a big air pass. Ooh, that's not going to be enough for victory.
Which means that Darren Shapiro slips in as the #1 rider of the day.
This is by far the biggest adrenaline rush of any tournament ever skied in. So, oh yeah.
And you turned us on to the rush as well. Way to go, Scott.
Thanks, buddy.